When installing a home standby generator, it is essential to follow the National Electrical Code, or NEC, guidelines for proper grounding. The primary question revolves around whether to ground the generator enclosure to a dedicated ground rod or to tie it to the ground neutral bus in the main electrical panel. According to the NEC, the generator cabinet must be tied to the ground neutral bus in the main electrical panel to ensure all grounds are common. This is addressed in NEC section 250.35, which specifically states that the grounding electrode system shall be connected to the metal enclosure of the generator. This requirement ensures a direct and effective grounding path for the generator enclosure, enhancing safety and minimizing the risk of electrical shock. Furthermore, NEC section 250.36 provides additional clarification on where the grounding electrode conductor should be connected. It states that the grounding electrode conductor shall be connected to the grounding electrode system at the service, at the source of a separately derived system, or at the transformer. In the context of a home standby generator, the main electrical panel serves as the source of the separately derived system. Therefore, the grounding electrode conductor should be connected to the grounding electrode system at the main electrical panel. This connection ensures that the generator's grounding system is effectively integrated with the building's overall grounding system. Connecting the generator enclosure directly to a ground rod, as suggested by some manufacturers' instructions, might seem like a reasonable approach. However, relying solely on a ground rod can create potential differences in ground potential between the generator and the main electrical panel. This can lead to circulating currents and increase the risk of electrical hazards. By tying the generator enclosure to the ground neutral bus in the main electrical panel, these potential differences are minimized, and a more robust and reliable grounding system is established. It is crucial to consult the latest edition of the NEC and local electrical codes to ensure compliance with all applicable regulations. Electrical codes can vary by jurisdiction, and it is the responsibility of the installer to adhere to the specific requirements in their area. Proper grounding is paramount for the safe and reliable operation of a home standby generator. By following the NEC guidelines and connecting the generator enclosure to the ground neutral bus in the main electrical panel, you can protect yourself, your family, and your property from electrical hazards. In summary, the grounding electrode system for a generator needs to be connected to the metal enclosure of the generator. Also, the grounding electrode conductor should be connected to the grounding electrode system at the service at the source of a separately derived system, which is the main electrical panel. Therefore, the grounding electrode conductor should be connected to the main electrical panel.